EagleRidge, Palmyra's trusted roofing contractor. EagleRidge is Palmyra's premier roofing contractor, delivering exceptional residential and commercial roofing services throughout the 84660 area and beyond. Our skilled team specializes in asphalt, shingle, metal, and flat roofing systems, ensuring durable, high-quality results tailored to your needs. For homeowners, we offer new roof installations, repairs and maintenance, storm damage restoration, gutter services, energy-efficient solutions like sealing and ventilation. For businesses, we provide commercial roof installations and replacements, flat roofing systems, preventative maintenance programs, metal roofing solutions, and more. At EagleRidge, we believe in transparency, quality materials, and delivering results that exceed expectations. Our process includes thorough inspections, honest communication, and efficient installations to ensure minimal disruption to your day. Choose EagleRidge for unparalleled expertise, reliable service, and roofing solutions that last. Call us at 801-784-1457 to schedule your consultation today. EagleRidge, Utah's trusted name in roofing excellence.